Yes, the pretty elegant designer collection of raw silk salwar kameez which are in stylish pattern of prints and cuts.
Our first designer outfit is from Prince. As you know, Prince are very trendy and very popular.
Yeah, that's true, and this one is very vintage kind of design over here for its single color theme.
Yes, this one is a tint of peach and it has orange roses printed all over the suit.
And what about the embroidery?
Okay, the embroidery here is an orange thread on the net yoke which also has stones matched with it. If you also see the back, it has the same net embroidered fabric over here.
Yeah, and this dupatta is also very pretty.
Yes, the dupatta also has motifs all over it scattered equally.
Yeah, this can be worn at parties and festivals, and this costs around 12,000 rupees. Okay, a pretty simple raw silk anarkali in pink, and it is designed in the concept of plain and work from shoulder till hip line.
I like this one for its simplicity and designer work concept.
Yeah, it is very elegant in itself, and look at the yoke portion. It has an embroidered fabric.
Yes, and the butta here is done in Zardosi, and this yoke has sequins and embroidered thread.
Yeah, even look at the back. It is designed to be semi-transparent.
Yes, and this one is in a boat neck, and look at the dupatta in net, and it has a golden border.
Yeah, and this salwar suit cost around 10,000 rupees.
Straight cut salwar kameez are always in, and so we have brought this design here in a neutral shade of grey, and it has a bright pink yoke with orange and golden woven motifs.
Yeah, if you look at the back, it is really very colorful, and that's brocade.
Yes, this is a complete festive wear, and it has multicolored theme all over. The dupatta and bottom is in dark green.
Yes, and this one cost around rupees 7,000. Here is another grey, very stylish and elegant.
That too in floral prints and in monotone makes it super stylish.
Yes, Aarti, this is a modern kind of anarkali suit. It has the front opening till the bottom hemline.
And these buttons here really highlight this dress.
Yeah, the shoulder yoke has the same embroidery as the back, and it has a contrast pink piping on the edges till the hemline.
Yes, and I love this dupatta. Look at it. It has a new work concept over here.
Yeah, it is zari and stones.
This suit can be worn at festivals and parties, and it costs around 15,000. A style to opt for occasions for a heavy look, but in this sober piece.
Yeah, this one really looks very pretty in plain padded green anarkali and the net jacket on the top.
This jacket has a lapel style in velvet which is studded with diamonds.
Yeah, it has a net jacquard on front and back yoke.
And this also has a heavy sequins border on the bottom of the hem and also the same velvet border.
Yeah, and this salwar suit cost around 34,000 rupees. It can be worn for weddings. This anarkali suit has both prints and mirror work on it. The silver grey base raw silk with green, blue and grey floral print all over it.
And I love this lovely waist belt over here.
Yeah, this is in mirror work and the same is on hemline too.
Yeah, it has a broad blue panel and I love this classic neckline over here.
Yeah, this is a round neckline on the front and a deep on the back side too. This is sleeveless and can be opt for weddings, parties, festival or any events. And this cost around 20,000 rupees.
Now I have this printed raw silk anarkali which is in a vintage theme because it has a beige and champagne shade and floral themes in pastel colors.
Yeah, it has a pretty neckline which has zardosi and beads work on it.
And the dupatta is very simple in the same color and it has the covering of the same printed fabric.
And the cost would be around 40,000 rupees. This pretty simple bright pink straight cut salwar kameez is perfect for semi-formals to festivals.
This sober high neck which has a border in between which falls to the bottom, and look at this sleeves.
Yeah, it is in black net with beige Lucknowi work and the same is on hemline too.
This is paired up with a simple black dupatta and bottom and the costing is somewhere around 6,000. That's the exclusive collection of raw silk anarkalis presented by G3 Fashions. And to shop these online, please visit our website or also stores.
Do style up in this trend and follow us on Facebook for more latest updates.
Hit like for this video and don't forget to subscribe.
See you next time. Thanks for watching.
For further query, mail us on customercare@g3fashions.in.